Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 4 power x plus 2 power x is equals to 2, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 4 we can write it as 2 square whole power x plus 2 power x is equals to 2. So according to exponent rule, that is x power n, we can write it as well x power n power. So I'm going to apply this. So we can write it as 2 power x square plus 2 power x is equals to 2. Now we're going to take a substitution. So let 2 power x is equals to a. So it becomes a square plus a is equals to 2. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So a square plus a minus 2 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term split. So we can split a as 2a minus a minus 2 is equals to 0. Now from first two terms I can take a as common. So a plus 2. And from the next two terms I can take minus 1 as common. So a plus 2. Now a plus 2 is common. So a minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots, both are equals to 0. So case 1, when a minus 1 is equals to 0, and case second, when a plus 2 is equals to 0. So now I'm going to add 1 both sides. So a is equals to 1. And in the second case, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So a is equals to minus 2. Now, as we know that we make a substitution a with 2 power x. So 2 power x is equals to 1. And as we know that a power 0 is equals to 1. So 1 we can write it as 2 power 0. So if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, the power are also equal. So in this case, the value of x is 0. Now comes to a is equals to minus 2. 2 power x is equals to minus 2. So as we can see that it is in power, so it will be positive, but the answer is in negative, so it can't be possible. So there is no real solution. So we can reject this case. So the value of x is 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.